Hello everybody, it's Margaret from Silesian Quilt. Today I would like to show you how I am quilting my last top. This top I saw it years ago, but today it's quilting day. I'm using only applique in my top. We have several templates for Halloween. I show you witch's head this template. It's this template for cutting. This template has 3 millimeters, which is boot, crow, raven, my favorite, but of course, and pumpkin. It's my favorite too. I make a wall hanging. Let me show you. It's long wall hanging, but I use it the butt in the square, in the corner, each corners. And I use the 3 sizes template Dresden plate. But today I'm quilting my witch's head. I'm using the template for the applique. You don't see, I think will be better. We have template, it's alien series, space series. This is the alien. It's a ruler for applique. Let me show you how to use. So this hole is for the foot. The long arm has a different foot. This template is for the gamil. The gamil is different because the gamil has a 16 inches inside. So I'm putting in like this, and I'm running around my applique. Sorry, the left hand is here, is on my ruler for applique, and the right hand I hold my long arm. So I think let's get started and crossing your finger. Very slowly I'm little push the ruler, and I'm running, go around. Slowly, very slowly. Very slowly. It's not perfect because it's for me. I love Halloween holiday. I should to use the glasses because I don't see well. So now I will do free motion quilting. I love bubbles, so I will do bubbles.
in summer rain, dispassionate we shine, overcomers of frustration.